Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Pictory for AI powered video captioning. So here is a step-by-step guide to using it. So number one step is that you will just sign up and log in. You will just go to the Pictory website and create an account or login, and then you will just upload your video right over here, AI video editor. So I will already edit my project, so I will just show you how to generate auto captions in video. So when you just upload it, so in the left side you will see transcription. So basically this is the AI generated auto captioning for accuracy. So you can just change the text, add punctuations or split long captions. You will just also customize the captions, add, you will just adjust font size, color right over here. So you will just change the styles. So you will see in this. So in this way you will just generate it auto captioning. So when you just select your all the finalizing, you will just export your video, download the final video with the captions. So in this way you will just use Pictory for AI powered videos captioning. So if this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.